Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the spotter dig or die game error. And the error is the UE, the spotter game has crashed and will close, fatal error. So if you're getting this fatal error in the game, the spotter dig or die on PC, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the spotter dig or die game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, but you have to right click on the spotter dig or die game and then select properties. And in the general tab, under the launch options, type -DX11 first, close the tab, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. The -DX11 launch options have solved the issue for many players. So I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. Check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. Just restart your PC once and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the spotter dig or die game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, but you have to right click on the spotter dig or die game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve the spotter dig or die game error. The UE, the spotter game has crashed and will close, fatal error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.